Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Harrison County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Trickham, or 12 miles southeast of Heflin, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Bremen, Tallapoosa, Bowdoin, Mount Zion, Waco, John Tanner State Park, Bowdoin Junction, and Tyus. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Carroll, Georgia. A strong